It is just about 7:44 this Sunday morning, taking a live look right now at Moosehead Lake. Beautiful day out there, Mike. I mean, if you have a place on that lake or really any body of water, if you want to go to the beach, it's a good day to do that for sure.
Beach, mountains. You know, yesterday I went to the Saco Heath Preserve. That was a great day to get out and enjoy just what's a relatively quick hike.
We have so much, like right here in the state of Maine. Like there's really no reason to leave if you don't want to.
Right, soak it in and enjoy. I think that if you want to get outside today, it's going to be great. The only downside to this dry stretch we've been in, which has been going on for a little while now, we've had, I mean, just spectacular weekend after weekend. We are dealing with a bit of a drought situation now, from Bar Harbor to Bangor to Dover, Foxcroft, and west. It's this whole area that's highlighted here in tan. Carroll County, New Hampshire, the seacoast of New Hampshire, North Shore, Massachusetts, all included in this. That's where we've got a moderate drought that has now developed. And this isn't really a big shock to me because this is where we are for precip so far this year. So this is total precip, the liquid equivalent of the snow that fell in the winter, as well as the rain that we've seen thus far. Big deficits, especially in southern Maine, approaching 6 inches for a deficit in Portland, 3 inches in Augusta, about 1.5 inches in Bangor. And in Caribou, the odd one out, there's a surplus of just under 3.5 inches. And that's really the exception to the rule here, is that the county has seen plenty of rain. But even there, things are slowly starting to dry out because a lot of the precip that fell in the county was over the first months of the year. So over the last couple of months, it has been trending at least a little bit drier. Right now in Portland, 58 degrees, dew point of 49. It's just gorgeous out there this morning. Not a cloud in the sky here on our tower cameras. And I've been watching to see, you know, if there's any stray clouds. And there's a couple here or there, especially as you get close to the ocean. But in general, just a beautiful start to the day. Wind still generally out of the northwest right now, but we'll see a shift to be out of the southwest as the day goes on. That's going to help to bring a little bit more moisture in, so I do expect dew points to climb back up, which means it may feel just a little bit more humid later on tonight, but even still, we should be in that comfortable range. It's not until Tuesday where I think it's going to really start to feel a bit muggier across Maine and New Hampshire. Radar, nice and quiet, nothing to talk about here. I don't expect that to change at all. We've got high pressure off to our west, keeping us dry. There's the northwest flow we were just talking about. But again, as the day goes on, we will gradually see that shift to be out of the southwest. We do develop a bit of a sea breeze later on today too. The weekend headlines I haven't had to touch. Another nice day on the way, lots of sunshine, low humidity. The warm up begins today though, and everyone's likely to be back in the 80s starting tomorrow. Showers and storms return on Tuesday, some stronger storms possible, but the scattered nature of the showers and storms won't really do much for our drought situation, unfortunately. A slight increase in cloud cover possible later today, especially in western Maine. I don't think it's going to be a huge issue, and then tonight with lingering clouds around, it'll be milder overall. I am not expecting anybody to end up back in the 40s like we started off the day today. By the time we get into tomorrow afternoon, southwest wind is going to be pulling more moisture in. Clouds begin to thicken up. Showers hold off tomorrow and are more likely on Tuesday. Today, the UV index is going to be high. Tomorrow, I expect it to be high too, but by Tuesday, we see some improvement there as some fronts approach. And with that, expect some showers and thunderstorms, maybe some stronger storms on Tuesday in the evening, with some stronger wind gusts mixed in, or maybe even a little bit of hail. Seas around 2 to 3 feet today. This morning the wind is out in the northwest, but this afternoon it shifts to be out of the southwest. Could be a bit breezy at times. Tomorrow, breezy, warmer with some clouds increasing. Storms expected on Tuesday and Wednesday. Everybody will clear out Thursday except the mountains. I think that's where we could see some lingering showers or storms. But Friday looks great. Saturday looks great. Chloe, this is one of those forecasts that it's tough to find anything wrong with it. You can nitpick little things, but in general, I mean, just a great stretch of weather on the way.
Exactly. Thank you, Mike.